What's up, YouTube? So, bought a product off Amazon. I was just gonna do a review on it and show you how to install it. It's for my new daily. It's a 2020 Corolla SE, and I'm just gonna show you the product that I bought and do a review on it. So this is the product. It's actually I would call them door handle covers. I installed them on my Z. These are carbon fiber, and it comes in a box like this. It's from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, these are carbon fiber. I already opened it and checked them out. So I'll lay them out. So they come like this. And I already opened one up and checked to see if it fits. Which one was it? It's this one. So yeah, these are it. Sorry. And I'll show you how it goes on the car. So you come out to your car. Then what you'll need is, I'm going to use alcohol wipes to wipe down the handle. So here's the handle of the car. And you take your cover, and you're going to peel the tape off, and then you're going to stick it on the door handle, and it should stick. And it looks like that. And you just repeat on all the handles of the door. They go in good with this white because of the black on the bottom. But yeah, these are good. They're good made, and yeah, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you. Here it is with the final result. We got them on the door handles. They fit good. Fitment's amazing. Quality's good. Just make sure that when you put these on, one of them has a hole for the key. So just pay careful to that. Yeah, they fit. They're good. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off because of the 3M tape. But yeah, I'd rate these a 10 out of 10. Fitment 10 out of 10. Put these on your Corolla, and I'm pretty sure it's a Camry. I'll post it in the description though. Thank you for watching.